Machinery is an intelligent ecosystem which connects mechanical engineering, sustainable designs, and digital intelligence. To remain competitive globally and to capture the massive growth potential in India, the manufacturing plants must evolve. And the major challenges are: how do we achieve net zero downtown? How do we implement automation with ease? And how do we cut our carbon footprints while improving profitability?
Mr. Bansod, thank you very much for your nice introduction. Dear ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you in the name of Shibaura Machine to this really great event. It's the first time I can be here, and I can tell you I'm deeply impressed. Congratulations to your event. The following, I would like to introduce my presentation of today. After giving you some insights about Shibaura Machine as a group, I would like to go to the trend from a standard machine to a turnkey solution in both in thermoplast industry plus the elastomer industry. After that, I would like to give you an insight to our MachineNet Cloud IoT solution, including smart machines. After that, I will give you a brief summary of my presentation. Shibaura Machine was founded in 1938 and presents in the year 2025 a $900 million enterprise with around about 3,100 employees. We are represented in multiple industries and have a global market presence. Of course, we are building injection molding machines in 4 different countries: in Japan, in Chennai, in China, and in Thailand. And we also have in our portfolio die casting machine and extruders, and the core of our portfolio, or the root, the original part, was the machine tool. On top of that, we are focused now on nano machines, and maybe you have read that we acquired a company in North America some weeks ago for $150 million.
I have heard a couple of times that ecological items are an important step forward. It's a requirement. The premium shelf appearance of products is a more and more rising requirement. And obviously cost efficiency for the consumers, but also for the producers, is very important. I'm very sure that I can present a possible solution for you, and that is IML technology, in-mold labeling. I was already introduced. It's the first time here. I'm the CEO of Muller Group. Muller has been acquired 3 months ago by the Vasanta Group, one of your gold partners here, and I'm very happy that I have the first time opportunity to speak here on behalf of Muller and behalf of Vasanta to show what we can do for the Indian market. What is Muller and what is Vasanta? Muller is a company founded in 1959. We do molds and robots. The molds primarily for in-mold labeling, respectively for dairy foods, so thin-wall packaging. And since over 30 years, we do robotic solutions, and we are a system integrator. We have 2 facilities in 2 continents. Originally, we come from Switzerland. 10 years ago, a facility in Colorado was acquired, former CBW. And we have so far in our history installed 2,500, a little bit more, 2,500 automation systems and more than 4,000 molds. Many of those systems, they're in operation for more than 15 years. And customers, they don't want to renew them because they're still working very well. We have 2 production areas. We are a small company, but very dedicated, 100 FTEs. And we have around a turnover of $40 million. Since 3 months, we belong to the Vasanta Group.
I must say thanks for the customers and my well-wisher presence here. In last 9 years, we strongly established in India with 5,000 plus machines, from 100 ton to 3,500 tons. At this moment, we have been producing 100 plus machines in our Ahmedabad factory. And also this year, we have been investing 200 crore to expand our factory to 3 times. So now let's go into the new green solutions which we brought in. And the recent, everybody talk about the sustainability, renewable energy, AI. It's become a fashionable word. But the real challenge is how to bring all this into the machines and produce really a machine which can able to give this value addition to the customer so that he can produce a less cost, less energy saving, and then with the consistent. So this is what we now going to talk about in detail. What are the various factors for the energy solution? So if you see the energy distribution in any injection molding, ideally you can see the servo drive system, which is the most part is 28%, then the heating solution, robot, auxiliary and everything. Okay. So with AI, and another thing, as I told you, there are a lot of facilities available, a lot of product available for energy saving. But the challenge is how to integrate into the machine. Okay. Just simply replacing one parts with energy saving, it won't work. It has to work with, entire control system. So that's what, Yizumi Group, having 100 plus years experience in injection molding machine with R&D center spread over from, Germany, US, China, spending almost 200 crore every year only for R&D development. So
my presentation topic here is AI and automation in centralized feeding systems. So briefly, we are covers AI automation in centralized feeding systems, sustainable solutions towards plastic processing industries, and reduced energy efficiency in plastic auxiliary equipments. So let me dive into presentation. So Matsui, basically it's a Japanese company. They have 50-50 joint venture in India with Samvardhana Motherson Group. So we started operation in 2011 and in 2017 we put up another plant along with Frigel, Italy, that is into the cooling solutions, adiabatic coolers and chillers. So that another plant is Frigel Intelligence Cooling Systems. This is our global customer base. So we serve from India more than 68 countries. We are the ISO 50001 for energy audits, CE certified company. This is our customer support network. So we serve into SAARC countries, Gulf countries and African countries from India, Indian operations only. We have 12 offices across India and we have the team in Nigeria and Dubai. This is our segments. We are the leading.
And also, I'm aware that we are running late, and I thank you for your patience so far. So let me quickly make you go through a presentation. This was really trimmed down from a big presentation, and then let me see whether I can do justice for this or not. A quick introduction to Haitian. So we started in the year of 1966 manufacturing agricultural machines. In 1973 we have built our first injection molding machine. In 1989 we exported the machine. In 2015 we established a manufacturing unit in Kadi, Gujarat. In 2023 we built the world's largest injection molding machine, which comes in a super heavy tonnage machine category. That's a 8,800 ton machine, which probably is the only largest tonnage machine available in the world today. So what we are now, we manufacture about 55,000 injection molding machines a year. We are one of the largest manufacturers of the injection molding machine in the world today. We have about 6 industrial divisions. We not only manufacture injection molding machines, we manufacture CNC machining centers, we manufacture die casting machines, we build laser cutting machines, and Smart Solution is a group that what I represent. We are into automation. Every drive
and our dear speakers, Dr. Raju Desai, Director Jyoti World.
We have Eddie Chu, who's the regional manager from Kimai Corporation, Taiwan.